Did you know there's an animal that's biologically immortal? And another that can survive the vacuum of space? The animal kingdom is way weirder and more wonderful than you can imagine, and today we're diving deep into top 6 of the most bizarre creatures on Earth. Get ready to have your mind blown. Number 6. Let's start with our immortal friend, the Toratopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. Now, when I say immortal, I mean it. When this tiny jellyfish gets old, sick, or faces danger, it doesn't just give up. Instead, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, essentially hitting the reset button on its life cycle. Imagine being able to turn back into a baby whenever life gets too tough. This process is called transdifferentiation, where its cells can transform into different types of cells. It's a biological superpower that scientists are studying like crazy, hoping it might unlock secrets to human aging. So, unless it gets eaten or succumbs to a disease, it can't reverse. This jellyfish could theoretically live forever, cycling through life and youth over and over again. Number 5. Next up, let's talk about the toughest animal in the universe, the tardigrade, or as you might know it, the water bear. These microscopic 8-legged creatures are practically indestructible. They can withstand temperatures from just above absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They can survive crushing pressures 6 times greater than the deepest part of the ocean. They can even endure lethal doses of radiation and, yes, the vacuum of space. How do they do it? They enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis, where they curl up into a tiny ball called a ton, dehydrate themselves, and reduce their metabolism to almost nothing. In this state, they can wait for years, even decades, until conditions improve. When they rehydrate, they just come back to life, ready to go. Astronauts have even taken them to space, and they've survived. They are, without a doubt, the ultimate survivors. Number 4. From the indestructible to the just plain strange. Meet the star-nosed mole. This little guy looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It lives underground in wet, marshy areas, and its most prominent feature is its nose, which is surrounded by 22 fleshy, pink, star-shaped tentacles. This isn't just for looks. It's a highly sensitive sensory organ. Each of those tentacles is covered in thousands of tiny touch receptors called Immer's organs, making its nose one of the most sensitive touch organs in the entire animal kingdom. The star-nosed mole is functionally blind, so it uses this incredible star to navigate its dark, muddy world and find prey. It can touch up to 12 different places in a single second. It's so efficient, it holds the Guinness World Record for the fastest eating mammal. Able to identify and eat a piece of food in less than a quarter of a second. Talk about a super sniffer. Or super feeler. Number 3. Ready for another bizarre hunter? Let's talk about the archfish. This fish takes playing with your food to a whole new level. Found in the mangrove swamps of Southeast Asia and Australia, the archerfish has a unique hunting technique. It spits powerful jets of water at insects and small creatures resting on leaves and branches above the water's surface. It can shoot its watery projectiles with incredible accuracy, hitting targets up to 3 meters away. To do this, the fish forms a tube with its tongue against a groove in the roof of its mouth. By compressing its gills, it forces water out at high pressure. What's even more amazing is that it can account for the refraction of light as it looks up from the water, calculating the precise location of its prey. It's like having a built-in water pistol, and it rarely misses its shot. Number 2. Now for a creature that looks like it was put together with spare parts from other animals, the platypus. This semi-aquatic mammal from eastern Australia is a true oddity. It has a bill like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and feet like an otter. It's one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. But the weirdness doesn't stop there. Male platypuses have a venomous spur on their hind feet. The venom is potent enough to cause excruciating pain in humans and can be lethal to smaller animals. And that duck-like bill? It's not hard like a bird's beak. It's soft and rubbery and covered in thousands of sensors that detect electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey. This allows the platypus to hunt with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed underwater, navigating and finding food by echolocation alone. It's a true evolutionary marvel. Number 1. Finally, let's venture into the deep sea to meet the anglerfish, the stuff of nightmares and deep-sea documentaries. Living in the pitch-black depths of the ocean, the female anglerfish has developed a truly unique way to hunt. A fleshy, glowing lure extends from its head, dangling right in front of its massive mouth, filled with fang-like teeth. This bioluminescent light, produced by symbiotic bacteria, acts as bait, attracting curious fish and crustaceans in the dark. Once the prey is close enough, the anglerfish opens its huge jaws and swallows it whole. But the strangest part of the anglerfish's life is its mating ritual. The male anglerfish is tiny, sometimes hundreds of times smaller than the female. His sole purpose in life is to find a female. Once he does, he bites into her, and their bodies literally fuse together. He loses his eyes and internal organs, becoming nothing more than a permanent sperm-producing parasite attached to her, providing her with what she needs to reproduce whenever she's ready. It's a bizarre and somewhat terrifying example of adaptation to an extreme environment. From immortal jellyfish and spacefaring water bears to star-nosed moles, water-spitting fish, venomous egg-laying mammals, and parasitic mates, the animal world is full of creatures that defy our expectations. Each of these animals has evolved incredible and sometimes unbelievable strategies to survive in their unique environments. Which of these facts did you find the most mind-boggling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the weird side of nature, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal content. Thanks for watching Top 6, and I'll see you in the next video.